Jai Hind children, welcome in your Maths Life class. In today's class, we will complete question number 7 till question number 11. It is exercise 13 and the chapter is lines and angles. Let's see what is the question. Okay. So, the question, if you will see, it is there on the screen. In the given figure AOB, children, AOB is a given figure. Please see it. AOB is a straight line. Yes, it is a straight line. And a ray OC stands on it. A ray OC. Let's see OC. Where is OC? It stands on it. Okay. And the angles of AOC and BOC is given. They are asking what is the value of x. What is the value of x? So quickly just draw the diagram first. In these type of questions, we will definitely draw the diagram using a ruler and you will use a pencil. Okay, use ruler and a pencil. No need to draw roughly. So let's start drawing. I am also drawing it on my board. Question number 7. Then the diagram is AB. AB is the line. Okay, it is AOB. Children, A, O and B. AOB. Okay, and OC is a ray which stands on it. OC is a ray which stands on it in this way. This is ray OC. Okay, why it is called as ray? Because it is having one end point and another end point is endless. That's why it is OC. This is OC, children. OC is a ray. And AB is having two fixed points. That's why it is a line. Okay. OB is a line. OC is a ray. It is making an angle. Isn't it? And the angle is, let's see the angle. Angle is AOC is 2x minus 10. AOC means this one. AOC is 2x minus 10. 2x minus 10 degree, children. It is in a bracket. 2x minus 10 degree. Okay. Let's write it properly. I have to write big so that it can be visible to you. 2x minus 10. It is whole. They have not declared us that what is the angle. They have written it in terms of x. Angle is there, but its value is not known to us. Once we will find the value of x, then easily we can find that how much value it is. What is the angle measure of A, O and C. The second one is, one more angle is there. This is BOC. Okay, BOC. One more angle is there and its measurement is 3x plus 20. 3x plus 20. This one. 3x plus 20. Okay. So, both the angles were given to us but in the form of x. So what we will do? We will try to find the value of x. Now children, what we will think? We will see the given question, given things which is given in a question. Angles were given in a question, but when you will see the diagram, you can see that this diagram is having two angles and both the angles are adjacent angles. Both the angles are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means having same vertex, having common arm and non-common arm, this one, and the another one is on the either side of the common arm. Okay, these two are adjacent angles. As well as the non-common arm, this and this, they are opposite rays. They are opposite rays. One is going in this direction and another is going in that direction. Opposite rays. So it means what? It will make a straight what? Angle. Okay, it will make a linear pair. It will make a linear pair, and linear pair sum is 180 degree. So we will using linear pair. First of all, you will write the given things, children. That what are the given things? Given things are angle AOC is 2x minus 10 degree and angle BOC is 3x plus 20 degree. First of all, you write this. Now you will write using linear pair. Linear pair का use करते हुए what we will use? That angle AOC plus angle BOC will be equal to 180 degree. 180 डिग्री ही होगा वो, अगर ये लीनियर पेयर एंगल्स हैं तो. लीनियर पेयर एंगल्स मीन्स adjacent angles whose non-common arm are opposite rays. They are opposite rays. They make a straight line. Okay. Now put the value of AOC. AOC is this much. So 2x minus 10 plus what is BOC? BOC is 3x plus 20. 3x plus 20. That is equal to 180 degree. Now you can see in this step we have a linear equation. See, collect the x term on one side and collect the constant term on other side. So 2x plus 3x. Directly I am solving, children. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Minus 10 plus 20 will become plus 10. First of all, solve this. Minus 10 plus 20. These two. See, minus 10 plus 20. 20 minus 10, answer will be 10, and sign of bigger number, that is positive. So plus 10. That is equal to 180. Now 5x is equal to 110 will transpose to that side, it will become 170. One step your ma'am is removing. Now you are smarter, isn't it? When 10 will transpose to that side, it will become 170. Or you can write the whole step and then write this step. Then next, x is equal to 170 by 5. Is it visible? Yes. X is equal to 170 and this 5 will go for division. So now cut this. 5 3s are 15. 2 is left. That's why 20. So 5 4s are 20. This is 34. So our angle is 34 degree. No. Only the value of x is 30 degree. Now we will substitute the value of 34 in this question, in this angle, and then we will find it. Like after this, let's write down what you will write down. Now angle AOC is 2x minus 10. So what is x, children? X is 34. Keep it in place of x. 34 minus 10. So it will become 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6 minus 10. That's why it is 58 degree. Angle AOC is how much? 58 degree. Okay. And in this way again we can solve the value of this one. 3x plus 20. How? Put the value of x 34 here and find the value of this. 34 into 3 and then plus 20. So in this way you will get the angles measurement. Is that clear? It's not angles measure, children. So what you will do? You will put the value of x in BOC also. 3x plus 20. So 34 into 3. 34 into 3 plus 20. 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 plus 20. So it will become 122. What? Degree. 122 degree. Hence the angle AOC is this much, 58 degree, 58 degree, and angle BOC is 122 degree. So in this way, try to solve these type of questions. Now let's see the next question. We will solve question number, after 7, question number 9. Ninth, in the given figure. Now if you will see the 8th question also, children, it is not a linear pair, but it is angles on a straight line, because there are 3 angles on a straight line, children. So you will not write the reason of linear pair. This please please keep it in your mind that in question number 8, the sum of these 3 angles will definitely be 180 degree. But you will not write the reason that it is because of linear pair. No, it is only 2 adjacent angles can be called in linear pair if their non-common arms are opposite rays. And here there are 3 angles. So the reason will be, what you will write, 65 plus 70 plus x degree is equal to 180. Yes, sure it is 180, but the reason you will write it as because of straight angles. Angles formed on a straight line. Angles formed on a straight line. ये तीनों एंगल आपके एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पर बने हैं. So वो क्या होगा, 180 डिग्री उसका सम होगा. Okay. Now question number 9. Quickly write down, see the diagram, and then we will solve it. I hope you all have noted down the reason of question number 8. That in question number 8, reason will not be a linear pair. The reason which you will write will be angles formed on a straight line. That is equal to 180. Same. Now question number 9. In the given figure, 2 straight lines AB and CD intersect with each other at a point O. Okay, let's draw it. So we were having AC, AB first. AB beta, not AC. AB. So this is a line. That's why double-headed arrow. Okay, and mark the point A and B. And one more line is there, that is CD. So let me draw that line. This is what, children? The second line name is CD. C and D. And it is intersecting at point O, children. Intersecting at point O. Now they have given one angle AOC. Can you see the diagram? AB is a line. Because there are 2 endpoints. AB is a line. Now not endpoints. If it will be endpoint, children, it will be a line segment. But you can see this is it is moving ahead. That's why double-headed arrow. Okay. So and CD is also a line having double-headed arrow, means it is increasing in both the sides. Now it is intersecting at point O. It is intersecting at point O. So one angle is given to us, AOC. Angle AOC is given as 42 degree. AOC. AOC means this one. This is given as 42 degree. 42 degree दिया है इन्होंने, ठीक है. Now what they are asking? They are asking that find the angle of AOD, BOD and COB. AOD, where is AOD? AOD, this one you have to find. Okay. BOD, this one you have to find, and COB or BOC, जो भी बोलो बेटा, both are same. COB भी कह सकते हैं, or you can call it at BOC. This also means all the rest of 3 angles you have to find. This angle, the another angle, and this third angle. Because if the 2 lines intersect with each other, they will form 4 angles. Now, have you remember the previous class? What I told you, that if the 2 lines intersect with each other, they will form 4 angles. And opposite angles will be equal to each other. What are the opposite angles? Are these two opposite angles? See, these two are opposite angles? No, they are adjacent angles. एक इधर है, एक इधर है. Having common vertex O, having common arm OA, and non-common arm are on the opposite side of common arm. Common arm के एक उधर है और एक इस side है. So this is what? This is adjacent angle. These two are not at all an opposite angle. So what we will see from this, we conclude that this one, see this one, is it adjacent angle? Is it adjacent angle to this AOC? No. Why? Why, children? Because it is having only one common point, common vertex, only one. Okay, having one common point, but neither the common arm and the third point is also not satisfying. So it is not an adjacent angle. It is what? It is opposite angles. Just opposite angle, children, and they will be equal. Why they will be equal? Because of the vertically opposite angle property. Now we will write it as question number 9. Given angle AOC is equal to 40 degree and angle DOB or BOD, जो भी पूछा गया है, BOD पूछा गया बेटा, so you can write it as BOD also. Both are same actually. You can write it as DOB also. It is equal to which angle? It is BOD is equal to angle AOC. BOD is equal to angle AOC. And now here you will write in a bracket, you will write vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. पूरा लिखेंगे बच्चा. I am saving my time. Vertically opposite angles. Now angle BOD is equal to AOC, and AOC is what? AOC is what? AOC is 42 degree. 42 degree. Now we have find it one solution. So this is first part. No, this is second part, children. This is second part. So after solving first part, you solve it. Now see this first part, AOD. AOD. May I erase it? AOD. I have to write first part in the beginning. I have solved the second part, children, but first part we will solve it. That is angle AOD. What is angle AOD? This they have asked. AOD. Which one is AOD? AOD means we have to find this angle, this particular angle. We have to find this angle. Okay. AOD. ये पता करना है. Now can you see this one? It is a line, straight line. It means angles formed on a straight line. These are two angles formed on a straight line. So definitely they will be adjacent angles. Okay children, let's see this. This is a straight line. बताया भी था क्वेश्चन में. It is given that CD is a line. So if it is a line, then these two are the angles which are formed on this straight line. So, and these two are adjacent angles also. So what we conclude? We conclude from linear equation, we conclude from linear pair. Okay, we conclude from linear pair that the two adjacent angles formed on a straight line, they will satisfy the linear pair property. Now angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair angles. These are linear pair angles. AOC, this one plus AOD. AOD means ये दोनों, these two. The sum of these two will be equal to 180. Why it will be equal to 180? Because of the linear pair. Linear pair क्यों है ये? Because they are adjacent angles and the non-common arm are opposite rays. Okay, because it is a straight line, so ये definitely एक इस direction में है, तो the another one is going to other direction. So now put the value of AOC. Is it given AOC? Yes, AOC is 42 degree and AOD is not given to us, children. So we will write AOD as it is. AOD is equal to 180 degree. Now separate AOD on this side only. 180 already on that side. Now this 42 will transpose to that side. Minus 42 degree. Now when you will find this will be equal to 138 degree. 138 degree. Angle AOD is 138 degree. Clear? Because 42 will transpose to that side, and when you will subtract, you will have the value of 138. Now children, this is now 138 degree. Now can you find the last angle, the third one? This one? This is angle BOC they are asking. COB is written. COB. COB. Can you find this angle now? Yes. How? Write down angle AOD is 138 degree and that is equal to COB. Or in a bracket, what is the reason? The reason which you will write that why this is equal to this angle. Why this angle AOB is equal to COB? Why? Vertically opposite angles. So its value will come out as 138 degree. Okay children? So quickly solve this. I am giving you 1 minute time. Not 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Just quickly just see it. Okay? Now I think you all have written. Okay? See the third part. Let me solve the third part also. It is same as first part, second part which I have done in the beginning. The third part they are asking is what is the angle of COB? COB. Yes, COB they have asked. What is this? What is the value of this? So what we will write? That angle AOD, this one children, angle AOD is equal to angle COB. COB. Now why it is equal? Write the reason. Why this angle is equal to that? So reason is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Write this. Okay. ANGLES. Write down the whole. Now AOD is how much? 138. So put the value of this. This is equal to angle COB. And hence we find this value, or you can write it as or angle COB is equal to 138 degree. So all the three angles we have find. This is opposite to this, vertically opposite angle. So this angle will be 42 degree. These two we have find by using linear pair. So this is 42 degree plus this is 180. That's why we have find this as what? 138. And these two are also vertically opposite angles. So the last angle, this one is also 138 degree. I think it is clear to you. Now next question. Question number 9. After that question number 11. Let's see. See question number 11. But before solving question number 11, let's see question number 10 also. Question number 10 is saying that these two straight lines are intersect at a point O. PQ and RS. Can you see the book? Or see on the, just see in your book children. And if you are not having book right now, see here. PQ and RS, these two are lines and it is intersected at a point and its name is, what is its name? O. POS is given children, POS, okay, one angle they have given, find the angle of other. Same children, it is same as question number 9. First find the vertically opposite angle and the second thing is through linear pair. The adjacent angles you can find through linear pair. and then you can find the third angle also. Am I clear? It is same as question number 9. Now question number 10. I am erasing my board work and you draw this diagram, children. Diagram is must in lines and angle chapter. Okay. Question number, last question we are solving, children, and hence we will complete our chapter by today. Now question is question number 11. In the given figure, see the figure, children. OA, OB, OC, OD, 4 rays are there. Okay, and some of the angles they have given. They are asking find the value of x. So before doing this, I have to draw the diagram. So I am drawing the diagram, children. I have to use my book. OA first of all, OB. You also draw it, children. Draw it. OB is the first one. Just draw it. This one is OB. This is B and this one is O. Okay, OB. Then OA. This one is OA. I am not measuring the angle, children. I am just roughly drawing the diagram, whatever is given in your book. This is OA. And angle is given 56 degree. Its angle is given as 56 degree. Okay, next OC. OC is given, children. OC, this one. Okay, this is how much? 100 degree. How much, children? 100 degree. This is 100 degree. And let me write O here. This is O. Then OD, not, yes, OD. OD, children. This one. This is OD ray. All the line, these all are rays, children, not the line. Now it is 74. AOD is 74, children. This one is 74 degree. Now what they have asked? They have asked this angle and they have written it already as x. X 100, 56, 74. Yes, I have drawn the diagram. Now this is question number 11. So write down question number 11. First of all, you will write the given parts. Okay, given all the angles. AOB. Angle AOB is 56 degree. Angle BOC, this one. Angle BOC is 100 degree. COD. Angle COD is X. And DOA. Angle DOA is 74 degree. All the angles, whatever is given, write down that these are the given things. Now children, how we will find the value of x? Now let's see here. The all angle sum. If I will add all angles, then how much I will get? It's a complete angle, children, and the measure of complete angle is 360 degree. If you will have any angles, if you will sum in this way, okay, so the sum of all angles on a single point, that is here it is O, it is making a complete angle and it will be always 360 degree. How much, children? 360 degree. If it is a straight line, then the upper portion will make half, that is 180 degree, and another portion will make 180 degree, and that's why it will be complete. How much? Complete angle will be 180 plus 180, that is 360 degree. But it is not our case. Our case is something different. Some different angles are drawn on a same point. Then also we can apply the complete angle. Okay, complete angle will make 360 degree. ये पूरा का पूरा कितना बनाएगा? द सम ऑफ दिस विल बी 360 डिग्री. Okay, so now we will add all the angles and its sum will be equal to 360 degree. Reason क्या लिखेंगे? What will be the reason? Complete angle. Now angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle DOA I am writing first, and COD, this all will be equal to how much? It is equal to 360 डिग्री. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे complete angle, making a complete angle. Children, the angle sum, all the angles making a complete angle. So AOB is 56 degree. Put the value. BOC is 100 degree. DOA, this one, first I have written this. You can write it in any way. कम्यूटेटिव होता है, प्लस चाहे ऐसे लिखो चाहे उधर लिखो. COD is, the COD is X and 360 degree. Now add all the numbers. Just add all the numbers and tell me the answer. 100 and 100, 56. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. And 7 plus 5, 12 and 130. 130 plus 100, 230. 230 degree plus X is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 degree minus 230 degree. What will be the answer? Is it visible? Yes. 360. Now subtract it, children. 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 130 degree. Okay. So this is the answer, and leave it as it is because they are asking what is X. It is given in the question. We have not decided that this angle is X. So write down the value of X is equal to 130 degree, or you can write it as or angle COD. Angle COD is equal to X is equal to 130 degree. So in this way we can solve such type of question. Now what is your part today? Your homework will be all even number question from this exercise from question number 7 to 11. Solve it and draw the diagram using scale, using ruler and pencil always. Okay, not with the pen. Till then children, take care.